Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to log in into BeReal account in BeReal app. So first we should open the BeReal application and enter our name. In my case, this is the HardReset. Then tap to continue, enter your birthday date. And now we should enter our phone number. So find here your country code. In my case, this is the Poland. And enter your phone number. Tap to continue, and now just wait for the verification code. Enter it. Tap to skip, and now you just log in your BeReal account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.